Hello, good day once again. Narito naman po si Maestro Sani para sa ating next episode ng ating video series on how a DepEd teacher can be easily promoted. So, sa sixth episode na po tayo, school project. So, nung nakaraan po, napag-usapan na po natin ang education, length of experience, training, trainings, coordinatorships, and other ancillary services or designations. Research, so pang 6 po yung ating school projects, which is, ito po ay kapatid ng research. Kasi po, kung ano po yung magiging output, pwede po siyang maging output ng research yung school projects po na ating gagawin. So let's say for example, kung ang ating research topic ay learner at risk or yung sa ating pong mga slow readers or sa may problems sa numeracy and literacy. So ang school projects, pwede po tayong gumawa ng innovations on how to minimize, if not eliminate, those pressing issues that we experience in the school. So marami po yan, not only in the teaching and learning process, meron din po tayo sa leadership, teacher development program as well, IGPs as well, or income generating projects as well, uh, and community services, which are very important documents that we can utilize for our promotion. So, puntahan po natin ang school projects. At what I have said po nung nakaraan, ito po ay slide presentation po nung lahat po ng pre-present ko sa inyo. Pwede nyo po akong i-direct message to get the link for this Canva presentation po ng ating so ito po yung ating school projects. So as what I've said, school projects are the reason why many teachers get promoted immediately. Kasi napakalaki po ng points ito, 12. Pagka nakumpleto po natin yung documents needed for this MOV. So una po, kailangan nating masig na mga documents sa ating school head ay yung ating yung 5+1 po na documents. So in our school, we are practicing the 5+1 documents. Ano po yung mga 5+1 na yun? Una po, yung memorandum, school memorandum stating your intentions in doing the school project or innovation, IGP, or community services. So isa po yon. Then the other one is your designation as chairman or as coordinator of the said project. And pangatlo po, yung ating action plan or implementation plan ng project. Then, siyempre, yung kanyang write-ups. Then, pagkatapos noon, yung implementation plan, yung kanyang, kung meron po siyang cost, then dapat nakalagay po doon. And then, pagkatapos po noon ay yung ating accomplishment report, narrative and pictorial report. So yun po yung ating 5+1 documents which can be utilized. Pag nakumpleto po yun, we can utilize it for promotion. At pag kumpleto at approve po sa ating evaluators, ang wala pong question na yun, 12 points. So at this moment in time, meron po kaming 5 kasamahan na natulungan po namin ayusin yung kanilang papers for the division ranking ng master teachers position. Meron po kaming isang master teacher 2 na pumasok as rank 3, I think. So probably sana makuha niya po yung isang item kasi meron po kaming uh, I think 8 or 9 available items ng Master Teacher 2. Then yung apat po na Master Teacher 1, yung dalawa po doon ay nakapasok sa rank 10 kung saan meron po kaming 9 din yata na 9 or 10 na uh, Master Teacher 1 position. So yung isa po ay rank 4 at yung isa po ay rank 6. So probably sana po makuha nila yung dalawang item na yun. At yung dalawa naman, nakapasok pa rin naman po sila sa ranking, kaya lang wala po sila sa rank 10. But hoping, dahil qualified naman na po sila for reclassification, sana pasok pa rin sila dun sa number of items to be reclassified po sa aming district or sa division. Ayun po. So, for instance, projects like School Bazaar, School Canteen will help us gain experiences as well as will aid our application for promotion or will help in our application for promotion. Of course, as teachers, we can offer more than just teaching. We can get involved in activities both inside and outside the school. So yun po yung sinasabi ko kanina, pag outside yun yung community services. Pag inside, yun po yung school-based projects. Just make sure that the projects benefit everyone, especially our learners. And we could give lectures or help organize sports competition as well, but it can be more than just education related. So mas sigurado po pagka education related programs or community projects or innovations. So, yun po. At katulad po ng sinabi ko, ang criteria po na ito, school projects, ay meron po siyang 12 points po sa lahat ng criteria for the evaluation of, especially for master teachers position. So yun lamang po, maraming salamat at sana po ay ipagpatuloy po ninyo ang pag-subscribe. Kung mabigat man po ang pag-subscribe, ay makakatulong po ang inyong pag-like at pag-share at syempre pag panonood po ng ating mga video, yung series po ng ating video. Meron po kayong, syempre may konti po kayong makukuhang insights or ideas on how to prepare your pertinent documents for promotion. So muli, maraming salamat po. This is Maestro Sani nagsasabing maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.